Hello guys, in today's vlog video I am going to be showing you a luxury bag. Now you guys, if that's interested, make sure you keep watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this video started. And you guys, today's video is sponsored by Tikhub. They do designer luxury bags. I'm going to include all of their information down in the description box. And I'm going to let you see some information about Tikhub that's finna jump right up on your screen. And to you guys, Tikhubs is an online retailer. And you guys, they let you look fashionable at affordable price. You heard me right. You can be look fashionable at a very affordable price. And here's their website. Please make sure you click my link down in the description to get you a beautiful Tikhub bag. These are some of their new arrivals, you guys. I promise you, you will love the site. You will love the items that you do see on the site as well. Also, too, you guys, here are some of their best-selling items as well. And you guys, let me tell you, Tikhub not only sells bags, but they do the Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Dior, YSL. Also, too, you guys, the other brands that they do sponsor is the Fendi bags, the Hermes, the Balenciaga, Prada, Goyard, and much, much more. Burberry. Make sure you do check them out. Also, they do have fabulous, you guys, accessories. They also have shoes and items for men as well. There you guys, if you're going to be picking up some items for a man, your spouse, or your significant other, I'm going to let you see some of the items in the men, and we're going to just hit the men's wallets, you guys. So here are some nice items that you can use as a gift, like I say, a spouse, a brother, a father, anything. Do make sure you go over and check out Tikhub's site. That for accessories as well, you guys. I'm going to let you see also some of their clothing that they do carry as well. So here we go. Here we're going to go to clothing. There you guys, like I say, if you go through the site, I promise you, you will find some items that you will love. Please don't forget, you guys, do click on that link and score you some fabulous items from Tikhubs. And if you're wanting to look fabulous at affordable price, Tikhubs is the site for you. There you guys, we're going to jump right back into the video. Thank you Tikhub for reaching out to me to do this video. Hey guys, my package came, and I will tell you guys, I had already did an unboxing, and I'm going to drop some of that actually on the screen, but it deleted some of the footage, so I'm having to go back and rewind. But my bag and my package, and I received this, and I will tell you, now the box is just a little bit damaged, but that's okay unless you use the boxes as decor. But that's neither here nor there, guys. And the box came like this. And you know, with every luxury bag, you do get a dust bag, and they actually, Tikhub has the bag inside of the dust cloth. So inside of the box, these are the content. You have that Louis Vuitton strap. You'll see that. This is the medallion for the bag. You know you always receive your handy dandy paperwork as well. So all of your paperwork is here, and your price tag and everything is here, you guys. We set that aside. And also the paperwork for the medallion as well. And we have that. So that tells you the bag is actually blue. And here is that Louis Vuitton gift bag with your blue straps. And too, if you're buying these as a gift, you can actually take it out, or if you're storing it for yourself, your bag just sits over inside of that gift bag. And this is the bag. Like I say, I had originally did the unboxing, but I'm going to show you the specifications of this bag. And once again, this is that on-the-go medium bag. And you guys look at the stitching and the quality of the bag. And what I did know, it's actually a kind of weighted bag, which is a plus for me. Once again, check out all of the stitching and the detail to the bag. Also, too, I'm going to give you a close-up, you guys, as well. But the bag does come with shoulder straps as well. And it's actually made into the bag. And your hand carrying straps as well. But look at all the design, you guys. And I'm going to bring you up close. And I'm just going to show you guys a couple ways of me just carrying the bag and how it looks carried. Once again, guys, this is a very gorgeous bag. Now, if you want to look fashionable at affordable price, Tikhubs bags is for you. Make sure you do click that link. They not only have bags, but they have clothing, items for men as well, shoes. Make sure you do hit that link. Also, if you pick up your bag or you just go over to the site, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Please don't forget, you guys, always look down in that comment section. I always keep useful information for you down in that description. Now, you guys, don't forget to use that discount code if you're going to order from the site to receive a discount as well. Thank you once again, tikhubs, for reaching out to me to sponsor this video. Now, you guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you also subscribe to the other Glam Queen branded channels as well. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.